Looking for a seamless way to connect your USB-C device to a wired network? The Amazon Basics USB 3.1 Type-C to RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet adapter delivers just that, offering fast, reliable internet with speeds up to 1000 megabits per second. If you're tired of unstable Wi-Fi or slow connections, this adapter promises a straightforward solution that works right out of the box. What sets this adapter apart is its plug-and-play design. There's no need for extra power sources or complicated setups. Just plug it into your USB-C port, connect an Ethernet cable, and you're online instantly. Plus, the reversible USB-C input means no fumbling around trying to plug it in the right way, saving you time and hassle. This adapter supports 10M, 100M, and 1000M bandwidths, ensuring compatibility with various network speeds. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including current laptops and even the Nintendo Switch. The slim, lightweight aluminum housing makes it easy to carry around, perfect for anyone who works on the go or needs a reliable connection while traveling. One user shared their experience testing both the ASIX and Realtek versions of this adapter on Windows 10 and 11 laptops. They found the performance equally strong across models, matching the speed of built-in Ethernet ports. This means you get consistent, high-speed connectivity without worrying about lag or dropouts, ideal for streaming, gaming, or heavy downloads. The reviewer also pointed out that any earlier concerns about speed drops were unrelated to the adapter itself, but rather tied to other hardware components. They recommend waiting until your system fully boots before connecting the adapter to ensure the best performance. This little tip can make a noticeable difference for smooth, uninterrupted internet access. If you value solid build quality combined with excellent network performance, this adapter is worth a look. It's priced affordably, comparable to the cost of a budget Blu-ray disc, making it an easy upgrade without breaking the bank. Whether you're setting up a home office or enhancing your travel tech, this adapter fits the bill. For anyone needing a simple, dependable way to add Ethernet connectivity to USB-C devices, the Amazon Basics USB-C to Ethernet adapter offers what you want: speed, compatibility, and portability. If that's you, consider giving it a try when you're ready to boost your wired internet experience.